Alright, so first step is we're going to take the windshield wipers off. Just pull it up. You can see a little bracket here that's holding the windshield wiper up. So what you want to do is you want to push down on it and you can pull it off just like that. Okay, same thing over here. You want to pull it up. So it's a little bit rusty here, but all you want to do is just pull down once you have the windshield wiper up like that, and it'll come right off. See, it's a little bit rusty, but that's alright, it's not a problem. Alright, now to the back windshield. We're just gonna take it up like this, pull it to the side, and pull out. Again, a little bit close up, you pull it like that, pull it down a little bit, and pull out. It'll work just like that. So the next step with your new wiper blade for the back, you're just gonna do the same thing but opposite. So you're gonna put that in there like this until it pops in, and you're gonna bend it and push it down. This part is even more simple. We're gonna be doing the 16-inch passenger side wiper, and all you have to do is just take it, turn it to the left side, put it like this right here, push it up. Oh, let's see. I'm trying to do it one-handed here. Push it in and up. You can see this little slidey piece. Can you see that? You can see a little slidey piece. You go like that, push it up, push it down, and you have a nice windshield wiper. So you're gonna take your biggest windshield wiper on the driver's side, and it's gonna seem a little bit awkward, but you're gonna take it right here. You can see the mechanism right here. All you want to do is put that under the thingy, under this part. Let's see if I can do it. Yeah, you want to get it in there, push up, turn this, push up, and you got yourself a nice wiper. Simple as that, guys. So I just showed you how to replace all three wipers on a Kia Rondo 2007 EX. Thank you for watching.